Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm sure you guys can tell by this intro that you see that my part is in multiple sections. I'm going to show you guys how to get a nice glueless wig install with a closure. However, we're going to part the wig plenty of different ways. This specific wig is from UNicehair and this is their body wave HD lace closure. Now mind you guys, this HD lace melted so quick and so easily and we did not have to use any product. So if you guys want to see how I got this beautiful look, just continue to watch. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick unboxing. Now, UNicehair is known for sending like beautiful gifts. Like for example, they sent me a UNicehair bracelet. How cute is that? They also sent some eyelashes, an elastic band, a makeup brush. Like they sent so many goodies. So here's the wig here. Once again, this is their HD lace closure body wave wig. Now again, HD lace, hello, definitely a goodie. And I do have the wig in 24 inches. Okay, now this is what this lace is looking like, you guys. Look at those knots. They are super thin, and also that lace does come pre-plucked for you. So I did go ahead and bleach the knots again, just to my preference, but I only did just a little bit. But I did not pluck the lace at all because they did enough. Like it literally came ready to go. Now this is the inside of the wig. You have the 3 combs inside. You have the adjustable straps at the bottom, but you also have that adjustable elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. So right now I'm just giving you guys another close-up of the inside of that wig. I'm also going to give you a close-up of that adjustable elastic band because that's important. We need that for a glueless install. And I'm also going to give you guys a close-up of that lace. This is how the lace looked after I bleached it to my preference. So the first thing that you want to do is just add some makeup on your lace. You do not need to do too much. I just add a thin layer because I don't like my lace with too much makeup. I feel like it just makes it look weird. I don't know. So I just do a thin layer of foundation, and then I also adjust that adjustable strap to my preference before I throw the wig on. I like my wigs nice and snug, of course. Now the good thing about this adjustable strap, you guys, is that whether you have like a small head or a big head, you can still rock this wig because this wig is made to fit any size. That's what that adjustable strap is for. And I'm also the type who likes to use the combs inside the wig as well, just for a sense of extra security. Alright, so she is fitting nice and snug and she is looking right. So I'm just using this wax stick really quick just to comb the hairs back because I didn't want any hairs like in the way before I had to cut off the lace. Now when I cut off the lace, I just cut along the hairline. I don't cut off any hair, so be careful of that. If you need to take the wig off and cut the lace off that way you don't make a mistake, that's probably going to be the best for you, especially if it's going to be your first time doing it. But when it comes to lace closures, it's really not that bad. Just cut right along the hairline. And then once I finish cutting off along the hairline, I just add a little bit more foundation to really hide that lace. Now I know you guys saw how that lace just disappeared. It's freaking amazing. UNicehair is like the goal, I swear. They have such amazing quality wigs and this lace just proves how amazing they are. So as you guys can see, where's the lace? Like lace wear. And that is it for the install. We're gonna go ahead and go into the styling now. That's it. That's all you have to do for the install. Now this is a 5x5 lace closure, so you actually have a lot of room to part. So you could do a side part, you could do a side swoop part, you could do a middle part. I'm starting off with a middle part, but I will show you guys different ways that you can rock this wig, and a lot easier too than you're probably thinking right now. I have a little trick to show you you guys, I promise. But I am going to use my wax stick and my hot comb to really flatten the top of the wig. And when I'm doing that, you guys are going to see like how much space this lace actually has. But before we get to that part, I'm just going to do some baby hairs really quickly. Now you guys know I normally don't do baby hairs, but it's good every once in a while just to show you guys what I would do if I was to add baby hairs. But I like to keep it light and simple. I do not like crazy baby hairs. Okay, wig is looking natural. She's looking really good. So obviously you guys see what it will look like with the baby hairs. And me personally, I feel like this wig will look really good without baby hairs as well. So it's completely up to you, but I am happy that I got the chance to show you guys because I normally do not do baby hairs at all. No baby hairs is normally my preference, especially when you have a nice, good HD lace like this one. So as always, I'm just using my wax stick and my hot comb to really flatten the top. And then we're gonna go ahead and curl the hair, but I will come back when we get to that part just so I could talk to you guys about the quality. Alright, so one side was done off camera, but as you guys can see, those curls are looking nice and luscious and bouncy. So let's go ahead and jump on into the other side. I'm adding some holding spray just to really make sure that there's no flyaways and anything like that. So once you finish brushing the spray throughout the hair, you're going to take like medium sections. Now I am going to be using a 1.5 inch curling wand, and the one that I'm using in today's video is listed inside my Amazon store. The link is in my description box, just in case you're interested as to all the products that I use for my hair tutorials. But all you have to do is just wrap it around the wand. I leave it on for like 5 to 10 seconds. I let it go, and that is pretty much it. Now, as far as the quality of the hair, you guys, I'm sure you can see on camera how silky this hair looks, and that's without any product. The holding spray does not make the hair look silky like this. The hair came like this, and the density of it was nice, and the quality of it was just very nice overall. It was giving luxury. Okay, curls are done. Now I did run my fingers through it, so this is what the hair looked like afterwards. I loved how bouncy and how effortless it looked. The hair was so nice, you guys, and no, I did not have any additional shedding or anything like that. No, the hair was beautiful. So this is how you guys can actually get a nice side part with a closure. all you have to do is just shift the wig. Now, you guys saw me earlier when I was parting the lace. Yes, there's plenty of room on your lace, but let's say you already did a middle part and you wanted to change to a side part. You do not have to completely restyle your unit. All you have to do is just shift the wig to the side that you want, and that's it. And no, this does not work on every single closure wig. You need a nice, good closure, a nice, real HD closure, which is what UNice has offered me today. This is the final looks, you guys, and I was obsessed with this hair. I love UNice. UNice is definitely the GOAT when it comes to their wigs. They are an OG in the game. Make sure you guys check out the description box because I will have the direct link to this exact unit listed in the description box down below, and I'm sure you guys could tell by now she's worth it, okay? Definitely one you want to have in your collections. Thank you so much for tuning in as always, and shout out to UNicehair for this beautiful unit. I will see you guys next time. Bye.